Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to make a Google Docs to PDF. So if you guys probably want to change your Google Docs file into a PDF file, I'm going to show you how. So here, I've already opened my Google Docs file and I want to change it into PDF. So what you need to do is you can just click on a file at the top toolbar here and then go to download, and in here at the arrow choose PDF document. So just click on the PDF document, and after that the PDF document of this Google Docs file will be automatically downloaded. And if you want to open it, just click on open. So here is the PDF version of this file. Okay, so I think that's all. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.